So if it's nothing bad on you, do you mind telling us what he did so that at least we can give him an answer? I'd really appreciate it.
Before I continue,
I mean,
I'm marking where I
if that's
left off.
what's going to make him sleep better at night, okay.
It will.
Yeah.
Thank you. So what did he do?
I mean, you know, when I first met him, I thought he was a really good guy. He seemed like a really nice guy. But after our date, I have no respect for him.
No respect for him.
That's
You can see that he
huge.
has some really nice shavings coming off of that
None. I
epoxy.
just feel like
realized
he's
that I
a
should probably
completely
just use
different
a single
person
particular
than
sauce
who
top
I
too,
thought he
so I
was.
cut the edge
Did he
banding off,
say something,
the right
like,
size.
horrible
I did this
to
several
you?
times, and now I have all of the tiny
No,
pieces cut.
it's just
Just
I don't respect him and the things that he contributes to, and